Number 23, a sound source approaches a stationary observer with a constant speed of 34 meters per second. If the frequency of the stationary source is 90 hertz, what's the frequency heard by the observer? All right, so we can use our Doppler equation. So we have f prime equals f times v plus or minus v naught all over v minus plus v source. All right, so we have to make a decision here. Since the sound source is approaching this stationary observer, the resulting frequency should be higher. So we're going to use the plus sign in the numerator to make the resulting frequency bigger. So if we're using the plus in the numerator, we have to use the negative in the denominator. So the initial frequency of the stationary, let's see, if the frequency of the stationary source is 90 hertz, so we have to use 90 as the frequency, and then we have to multiply that by the velocity of speed of sound in air, which is 340, plus the velocity of the observer. The O is the observer, and it's a stationary observer, so that's going to be 0, all over the velocity of speed sound in the air minus the velocity of the source, which would be 34. All right, so when we do that, 90 times 340 over 340 minus 34. 340 minus, we're going to get 306. When we do the division and multiply that out, we're getting approximately 100 hertz.